So hello everyone, a very warm welcome and a very good evening. So traders, my name is Kunal Kapoor. I am the financial expert for the day. I will be helping you with all your trading concerns, and I'm sure that you are ready to learn a new strategy, new technical, and in the meantime, those who have already observed my screen, they are also ready for a new challenge. Yes, you heard it right. So I have come up with a new challenge. We will be taking some trades, a challenge, and of course, like always, at the end of this session, at the end of the challenge, there is going to be a giveaway. So there will be some RFT which I will be providing to one of the lucky winner. Just give me a second. Let me check if everything is working fine. And traders, before we'll start the conversation, I just want to confirm one thing, that the comment section is already active. In case if you will be finding any difficulties, doubt, question, queries, feel free to write me over there. And in the meantime, just one second. Yeah, I'm just looking forward for your confirmation also if everything is clear. Just one second, traders. Let me just adjust my screen to make it look better. Yeah, so here we go. Yeah, everything looks perfect. Yeah. So the name of the challenge which we are going to conduct today is X in a row. So majority of time there is a fixed time, fixed amount of RFT which we are giving in the giveaway. So in today's session, the specialty of this session is the more and more accuracy we are going to achieve, the more amount you will be able to get in the form of RFTs. I mean to say, minimum to minimum, we need to execute 3 positive trades. Once 3 positive trades will be executed, a $5 risk-free trade will be unlocked. If we'll manage to take the 4th trade also as a positive, then that $5 RFT will become 6, 7, 8, and that will keep on piling up till the time we are keep on growing my capital. We are keep on growing the profitable trades. But one thing is there, like, where we need to focus on. So we like all of us, we have to work together. That is, in case if my 4th trade, 5th trade, 8th trade, any trade will go negative, then that specific RFT will be unlocked. But if we want to increase the that amount, we have to start it from the beginning. So in a short form, like, I will keep on lighting up these bulbs. Once if any trade will go negative, then it will go to 0. So we have to start it again. So you have to focus along with me today. We both of them, both of us are in a same team. So you need to focus on one thing, that I should execute only profitable trades. So in case if you find that no, that signal is not suitable, Kunal, then just let me know in the comment section. And how you can participate in the challenge, that is also very important question. So I have already pasted the link in the description section. You can either pick it from there, or let me just paste it again in the comment section. Traders, I can see that so many traders have already joined. So please confirm me if my volume, if my audio, video, everything is clear. So here is the link for the Google form which you can use to enter in the contest. That's how it's going to look like. The name of the challenge is visible on the top. Here you need to put this trader ID, which you can fetch it from here. This is my trader ID. You need to put yours. Then here you will be adding the asset name, time frame, and direction. Then you will click on submit. Once you will click on submit, that entry will be visible to me, that we can check from here. So we will try to pick most of the signals, or in fact we will try to pick all of the signals. In case if we'll skip something, I'm so sorry for that in the beginning, but we will try to use as many. And again, I'm letting you know the rules. Consecutively 3 positive trades, one $5 RFT will be unlocked. After that, we will try to increase that amount behind every positive trade. That amount will be plus by $1. Okay, so let's kick off the session. In case if any of your dear one, they also want to join the session, share the link with them, so we will be able to connect with more and more people. I will try to use multiple strategies during this conversation, and I will also try to explain that strategy also, that how exactly it works. So we what we will do, we will start the conversation with Smart RSI. Let's go with Smart RSI. We can pick Smart RSI 30. And traders, today both of us are in the same team. So the more and more signals you will be adding, the more and more opportunities will be there, which we will try to grab. And of course, in the same time, we will try to make profits. Okay, so it's not going to be a win-win situation only for me, because you are the one, those who will be getting the risk-free trades. So of course, it's a win-win situation for both of us. I'm so sorry, I forgot that smart RSA will not be visible here. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's start with the Jacta. So in this one, we are going to use three simple moving averages with the three different frequencies: 50, 100 and 200. Or let me make a customized strategy. I'll remove 100, and along with that I will use one of my favorite technical, which is stochastic. Traders, understand one thing: if I am using something and I'm stating that it's my favorite, that doesn't mean that that is going to show the same result to you. Sometime you might be able to find some different situations, so you need to focus on that part also. Why my strategy is not visible? Okay, stochastic is there. No worries, I'll try to apply it again. And in the meantime, traders, I can see that there are no entries. So start adding your, entries. Start adding your suggestion that on which asset I should start my day. I should start the trading session, and then we will start moving ahead. And let me just apply the strategy again. I'm not sure why it's not visible. I think I need to refresh the page. Okay, yeah, so now things are going fine. Let me apply it again. Okay, so the strategy which I was planning to use, that was Jactar. Okay, so yeah, here we go, everything is visible. So in Jactar we are using three SMAs, simple moving average, SMA 50, 100 and 200. You can use all three. Like I have a customized strategy where I'm removing that 101, and along with that I'll try to use some trend reversal tool. So stochastic is one of my favorite. And traders, whatever the strategies we are going to explain today in the coming session, this is something which I'm always used to, keep on repeating myself, that there is a possibility that you might not be able to achieve the same result, same accuracy. So without practice that strategy, do not take it to your live account. Okay, very nice, very nice. So traders, I can see that we have started observing, we have started receiving some signals. So the first one is on Europe composite, 2 minute up. Let's begin. Okay, so the first one is here already, Europe composite. Okay, so the signal is for up. It looks like that we can think about it. Let me just give a quick analysis on 30 second also. The strategy for the 1 minute, it's showing fine, that we can think about it. Market is already in the oversold zone. Let's hit this one. Let's start it with a $15 trade up, and I will keep on highlighting all those entries which I am going to use, so that at the end of the session, when we will be using a wheel of fortune, when we will be picking us winner for the RFT, so that will be from those selected ones, selected lucky one. Okay, so the first one is already executed. The second entry we got on Euro USD OTC, Euro USD OTC, Euro USD OTC. Okay, this is the one. This entry, this suggestion is for 5 minute. Let me do one thing. Let me analyze it for nearby time zone. Okay, so for 5 minute, I believe market might bounce back. Okay, no worries. Let's do one thing. Let's hit another trade on Euro USD OTC, and the third one Euro JPY OTC. Traders, I can see that the excitement is very less, because I can observe very less entries are there. So let's trade together. Let's talk about different technical strategies, and this challenge specifically I am coming with just to make sure that you are learning something, and at the same time you are able to get some additional benefits also. So you will be able to get some RFTs. So let's see if Euro JPY 30 second. Let me analyze for 20 second also. Okay, so the resistance level, okay, this can be picked. Okay, so three trades we have already executed. Let me show you, everything is already in the pipeline. Okay, so very nice, this trade went positive. Okay, so once we will be able to achieve at least one profitable trade, then I will start lighting up all those bulbs, and then we will focus more rigorously if we are able to make profit or not, because back to back three profitable trades, then we will be able to unlock one $5 RFT giveaway. Okay, so our first trade went negative. Europe Composite, we were expecting that the market will go in the okay, just a moment. Okay, so the trade was for up, but market moved in the downward direction. No worries. Let's see how rest two trades will go. Okay, so one trade is positive, very nice. Euro JPY OTC 1 minute trade positive $15. Everything is in the bucket. And the second trade, Euro USD OTC, is still in the pipeline. Let's see how it looks like. There is a possibility that market might bounce back. The reason behind, market is already in the overbought zone, or in the oversold zone. If I'll give you a quick brief about the strategy which we are using. So I have applied JACTAR, and along with that I have used stochastic. By those traders, those who are not aware about that, how this strategy works, let me just give you a quick introduction about that one. So in this one, the major part is being taken care by the SMAs. So two SMAs frequencies are there. These SMAs in this strategy are going to work as a price action, or in a normal form, like if I'll say, they are going to react as a support and resistance. So my dear traders, those who are not well aware about that one, just try to dive into it. AUD JPY OTC, we got another signal for 1 minute down. I don't think market will go downward. Let me just analyze it for 20 seconds also. No, because see, the market is bouncing back from here, and market is trying to move in the upward direction. At the same time, the intersection from the oversold zone is already there. So we are expecting that market might bounce back, but it will be somewhere near this level. For now, it could be a random trade, because no confirmations we are getting. We can consider this resistance level also. Let me check first the trade result. Okay, so this one is positive. One trade is already positive, so I think we should light up at least one bulb. Okay, so if the second will go positive, not sure. And for this one, market is stuck. I think we should wait at least for the result, because if that will go positive, then the third trade should be positive, just to unlock the RFT giveaway. Otherwise we will again stuck there. So I think I should drop this signal. Traders, what do you think? Like, just give me a thumbs up if you think that I should drop it. If you think that no, we should pick that signal, then just give me a little emoji. Okay, I can see n number of comments are also there. So let me at least open one more trade, and then I will just go to the comment section also. Traders, whatever the difficulties you are facing, just keep on writing me in the comment section. I will be taking care of that one. But in the meantime, I request you, please participate in the contest, because if you will be showing the energy in that one, so we will try to come up with more and more contests like this one, where we will be sharing some information, where we will be giving some RFTs also. So this one is looking like it's going negative. So AUD JPY OTC, we can consider to open our new trade. AUD JPY OTC. So 1 minute down. Let's see if now sooner or later there can be a signal. Okay, I am expecting that now there is a possibility that the market might bounce back. So another trade in AUD JPY OTC down is already executed. The next one, GBP USD OTC. GBP USD OTC. Okay, so in this one, 2 minute up. Let's analyze for 30 seconds also. 2 minute up. Let's analyze for 30 seconds also. 2 minute up. Let's analyze for 30 seconds also. 2 minute up. Let's analyze for 30 seconds also. 2 minute up. Let's analyze for 30 seconds also. 2 minute up. Let's analyze for 30 seconds also. 2 minute up. Let's analyze for 30 seconds also. 2 minute up. Let's analyze for 30 seconds also. 2 minute up. Let's analyze for 30 seconds also. 2 minute up. Let's analyze for 30 seconds also. 2 minute up. Let's analyze for 30 seconds also. 2 minute up. Let's analyze for 30 seconds also. 2 minute up. Let's analyze for 30 seconds also. 2 minute up. Let's analyze for 30 seconds also. 2 minute up. Let's analyze for 30 seconds also. 2 minute up. Let's analyze for 30 seconds also. 2 minute up. Let's analyze for 30 seconds also. 2 minute up. Let's analyze for 30 For 30-second, it looks like 30-second chart is stating that the market can bounce back, market can start moving into the downward direction, and along with that there is a level, like there is a SMA which can try to stop the movement. If we would have opened the opportunity on the basis of 1 minute chart time frame on this candle, then that was a very nice signal, but we have already missed that opportunity. Let's analyze. Okay, so this trade went negative, so we have to unlighten the bulb. Okay, very nice. Again AUDJPY positive, so 2 more positive trades and 1 RFT is already unlocked. Then we will try to increase the amounts. Okay, so I will keep on highlighting them. GBP USD OTC, let's do one thing, let's analyze for 30-second. No, the market is still stating that the market can bounce, start moving downward, because the market is already in the overbought zone, and at the same time there is a SMA. So how exactly Jacta strategy works? So if the market is moving from the downward to upward direction, if the SMA's line are on the top of the chart, so if the candles will breach that level, then it will act as if the candle will not be able to breach that level, then it will act as a resistance level. At the same time, if the candle will breach that level and then market is coming from the upward direction like this one, then it will act as a support level. So if the breach is there, then market can try to move in the same direction. If not, then market will bounce back. Now you might be thinking that, sir, this is something like which is used to happen every now and then, but if you try to observe near these SMAs, you will be finding more frequent incident like this. So that's how exactly it's going to work. At the same time, if you talk about the stochastic, 2 levels are there: overbought zone, oversold zone. Whenever the market is in one of them, then we can expect that there can be some price correction sooner or later. Price correction means if the market is keep on going upward, market can start moving downward, and it could be the vice versa. That's how we are going to pick this strategy. And traders, understand one thing: it's a financial market. There is a possibility of partial and fully capital loss. So considering that thing, do not invest, start in making investment in real accounts. Just spend some time, learn about these strategies, and then you can start making investments. Second thing, these are just some mathematical calculation based technical tools. So 100% accuracy is not promised. There is a possibility that you might be facing negative results. So considering that thing, always use your capital and always use your technicals after using them on your demo account. Third thing, all the trades which I have taken in the past, I am going to take in the future. During this session, everything is depending on my skill set. I will be responsible for my own trade. And the last and the most important thing, even though this session is live, but there is a telecast gap which lies between somewhere around 30-second to 1 minute. So there is a possibility that the trade which I am going to open in front of you right away, that will be visible to you after couple of seconds or after couple of minutes. So please, traders, please avoid doing a copy trading. Just focus on the strategy, just focus on these things. Once you will be able to grab hold, then of course you can dive into and you can pick those strategies. Okay, so this trade I want to take for 1 minute and 2 minutes both. Okay, so how many trades? One trade is already positive. Second one is looking like that it will go positive. For this one, we have got the confirmation for the $1 1 minute. So the result which we will be considering, that will be for 1 minute. So if this trade and this trade will go positive, we will be able to unlock the RFT. So majority of these signals I have used all of them. So let me highlight all of them, and until these trades are being executed, let me take a couple of more comments. Let me take a few comments at least. Okay, so hello to everyone: Chikonda ji, Sahil, Etshan, Raza ji, Ruth, hello. Voice of Railway, hello. Hindi not possible to use for you, sir. Abhi talks, I'm so sorry, today's session is in English, so if you are comfortable with Hindi, I request you join the same channel and subscribe the same channel, because in this channel we are conducting sessions in 8 different languages. So if you are comfortable with Hindi, so Tuesday and Thursday 4 to 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time is the time for Hindi. And at the same time, in the meantime, you can do one thing. You can explore the playlist part. We have talked about n number of strategies in the past, and everything is available there. Okay, Namaste Indian ji, hello Faizan, hi, hello everyone, hello. Why Olymptrade not open trade on my Mudasir ji, I'm not sure that why it's not like you are not able to open it. Just check if you haven't made some any privacy or like any protection or something like that, like where you will not be able to use any trading platform, because this I am also using majority of my usage of Olymptrade is in my laptop, so I don't think like you should face any difficulties. You can just try in browser, or you can also download the application version. Okay, bro, help me. Sai Reddy ji, please let me know what help you are looking for. What to do when customer support don't reply to email. Alok Rai ji, they can take some time, like up to 24 hours to 48 hours. So whenever you are writing something to them, I just request for your patience. Please allow some time. So we managed to book 2 profitable trades, but again the third one was negative. No problem. We'll start again from the beginning. No worries. Let me see if we have any more entries. Traders, see, if you want a giveaway, please add some more and more entries in that one. If you want to participate in this giveaway, let me just give you the information that how you can participate. So I have pasted the link in the description, or I am pasting it again in the comment section. Open that link, you will be directed to this Google form. Here you can put your trader ID, asset name, timing and direction. Click on submit. Once you click on submit, everything will be visible to me here. Then I will be picking your signals and I will be executing the trade. At the end of the session, whosoever will be the lucky one, he or she will be getting minimum $5 RFT if we will be able to unlock it. In case if we'll make more and more profit back to back, minimum 3 positive trades should be there. If we'll manage to make 4 consecutively positive trades, then that RFT will become $6, and that it will keep on growing up until and unless we are not going to make any negative result. So if you find like it's a very nice contest, like if you think that it's a nice contest like which we are conducting, because it's going to be a win-win situation for you. Understand one thing, you are going to get some RFTs and at the same time you are going to get some information. Okay, Rakib added deposit not received. RQB, I request you connect with the support team, support-hi@olymptrade.com. They will be guiding. Bro, my withdrawal is sent, but in my bank it's not showing. Sai Reddy, nothing to worry, because there is a processing center of bank also. Once they will be processing, then your account amount will be reflected to your bank account. Nothing to worry. If it's already sent from our end, so then that means it's already processed from our side. But still, if you will not be receiving after some time, just connect with the support team for further information. Muhammad Amir, hello. Alok stating customer support is not responding. Sir, just be patient. They will be responding sooner or later. I need help how to trade. Christoph, by any chance, do you use any strategy or any technical so far? Just let me know so I can try to deep dive into that. Again, hello to everyone. I will teach you how to trade. Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your guidance. Okay, Ibrahim, my deposit is not initiated yet. Ibrahim, please connect with the support team. Traders, understand one thing. This 1 hour session is basically focused for the trading side, because for deposit withdrawal verification, support team is already there. They are more than happy to guide you. So respecting that, I request you, please just connect with them for the deposit withdrawal verification concerns, and here we can talk about all your deposit trading concerns. Okay, so let me just do one thing. Okay, Ibrahim, hello, your customer service is getting worse, not responding. Alok ji, I have requested you, please stay calm. You will get your required information. Nothing to worry. Whatever the amount is stuck, like whether it's your withdrawal or deposit, they will be guiding you with that. Okay, just stay calm. They will be responding your email, and make sure you have texted them from the registered email ID. Okay, so just give me a second. Where is it? I'm so sorry, I have missed some comments. Where is it? Where is it? I'm so sorry, guys. Traders, please stop spamming in the comment section, because if there will be some trader those who need some help, so of course they will not be able to get that. Okay, so okay, where is it? So many spam comments are there. Ibrahim, I request you, please do not keep on writing the same thing. You will get your money, nothing to worry about that one. They will be guiding you with that one. Okay, profit revenue. Okay, so many comments are there. Okay, Muhammad, this one already. Please, bro, help me out. You're right, customer service, yes, bro. Okay, so we got one comment from Shark T2T. ये सब scam है. Sir, please let me know, like, why do you think that it's like a scam? Because one thing I can confirm you that we are regulated by government of Vanuatu. We are the member of FinCom. It's been more than almost more than a decade that we are working in this market. So if there is something like that, of course you can understand how we would have survived that long. Second thing, at the same time, I just want to tell you one more thing, that if there is something like that, then why we are spending so much efforts, so much funds to help our traders to improve their trading skills. Let me tell you that we are providing 3 services where we are guiding our traders in their trading concerns. We are trying to help them. The first one is via YouTube. We have a YouTube channel, Olymptrade Practice, Tuesday, Thursday in Hindi, Monday, Wednesday, Friday in English. Apart from that, in total 8 different languages we are conducting sessions. So the major focus we are trying to focus is to help our traders to make their trading journey better. I got one signal for Europe Composite, 1 minute up, but I don't think like that signal might work for now, because currently market is trying to tell you that market can move in the downward direction, because market is already in the overbought zone. Let me see USD CAD OTC. Let me take a couple of USD CAD OTC. So where is USD CAD? Here we go. So USD CAD OTC 1 minute up. Yeah, that can be a nice opportunity. USD CAD up. Let me analyze it for 15 second also. 15 second chart. Okay, so we have executed USD CAD OTC trade in the upward direction, and traders do not need to focus on the maximum profitability. We can also focus on some assets where we can expect low volatility, or the success rate ratio is good, because today I can observe that the majority of traders, they are just only running for the high profitability asset, and they are only picking the OTCs. I'm not stating that in OTC you will not be able to make profit. You can, but the thing is that in case if you think that on some another asset you have a better success rate, of course you can think about that also. So what was that? CHF JPY OTC. CHF JPY OTC down. Yeah, that looks like it can go down. And what's the time duration? 1 minute. Traders, I'll prefer if we will think about a longer duration also, like 2 minutes or more than that one, because longer the duration, less the Okay, so USD CAD went positive, very nice. So time to light up the bulb. Okay, so if we'll manage to make at least 2 more trades positive, then of course we can look for further. Okay, so the signal can be there. I think like here also there is an opportunity. So I have doubled up my opportunity. I have opened one more trade for the same amount, same direction. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so let me take some comments also. Bro, can you teach how to deposit? Yitus Salitam. Or just go to this part, go to the deposit section. In the meantime, if you have any doubt, question, query, you can just explore this help center, support, education, and number of information is there in help center. Just click on deposit and you will be getting everything there. Hafiji, I would really prefer if you would share your thoughts, like why do you think like it's a scam. Only bot available to respond. Sasuke Uchina, bot is there to help you on the same side. In case bot will not be able to pick your query, then you that will be directed to support team. So you will be getting an option for that. So you can pick that one. So this is something you can do. At the same time, you can drop an email to support-hi@olymptrade.com. So they will be guiding you. No bro, don't deposit. Okay, so let me stick a couple of more comments. Just a second, traders, because I was scrolling. Where is it? Profit कभी नहीं करोगे. Shark T2T again. If you think that you are not able to make some profits, then I'm not stating that your trading is not good, but there might be something like on which you can work. Okay, very nice. So traders, finally we managed to unlock one RFT. So there will be a one $5 RFT giveaway for sure. Then now what we will be focusing on, we will try to increase it. So behind every positive trade, we will be able to make that $5 to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have to be more cautious. We have to focus on that thing. And traders, I can see one thing, that the majority of signals we are getting only from one trader. There are no much traders those who are participating in that one. If you don't like such contests, such challenges, just give me a feedback. We will not be conducting such giveaways in the future also. That is completely fine, because see, we are trying to space some time just to help you with all your trading concerns, so that it should be a win-win situation. It should be a interactive session where you will be getting some knowledge plus some additional benefits. That is the reason that we are coming up with some challenges. It's not every day, it's an opportunity where you can grab both the things in all together. So I think you should participate in that one, and it's very easy to participate. It's not like that you have to do some complicated calculations. All you just need to use the link which I have just shared in the comment section again, or I have already pasted in the description. Open that one, put your trader ID, asset name, time and direction, click on submit. Everything will be there in my bucket, and then of course I will be taking trade on that. So that's how exactly you can participate in that one. Okay, so let me इसने लाइव पर लॉस करा दिया, हो गया किसी ना किसी का. Hafi Raza ji, I am always telling everyone that do not take trades, do not try to do some copy trading, because the reason is there is a telecast gap which lies between 25 second, 30 second to 1 minute. So there is a possibility that you will execute the same trade after some time. So please avoid taking doing copy trading. Answer not available for traders. Sasuka ji, what question you have asked? Just repeat your question. If I have missed it, I will answer it again. Okay, so Hafi, how please any strategy, bro? Okay, so, Shak, are you asking to me or someone else? Text me if anyone have any doubt. Traders, I request you, please, like we have connected here just to have a fruitful conversation. So just try to stick to that rather than promoting ourselves. Is it appropriate to use signal? Any strategy? Obrai Ogutu, see, like if you are trying to pick some signals from some random guys, I'll suggest better to have a deep dive information about that one, that how these signals are working, because there is a possibility that they might write rather than writing up, they might write down, and that trade might lead to a negative result. And at the end of the day, they are just going to apologize. That's it. Nobody is going to bother about the losses which you are going to make. That is the reason that we are also suggesting that try to work on your technical skills set, everything, because in case if you want to take some trades in the midnight, afternoon, whenever like you are not able to grab something from someone else, so at least you should be self-dependent. So I'll suggest better to use your technicals and try to grab hold on that. Okay, so is it prepared to use? Obre, I hope I have already answered your question. Okay, so Turab is stating my withdrawal. This to Easy Pesa has been processing for more than 2 days. Please check the status. Turab, the standard time frame for a withdrawal request is 24 hours to 5 working days. I request you just connect with the support team. They will be guiding you with everything. And if anything is in the pipeline, just stay calm. Let the relevant team work on that one. Once they will work, and then your amount will be transfer to your so and so wallet or bank account. Okay, Munish, I request you please just add the signals in the sheet itself. Okay, still I am finding the same trader is there who is keep on adding the signal, who is making some efforts. I feel that no more traders are interested in that one. Let's see, like if in case if you are interested, you want to participate, you want to try to grab an opportunity to get some RFTs, feel free to add your signals. And GBP USD GBP CAD OTC, let's see, let's analyze. Okay, so GBP CAD, where is it? GBP CAD OTC, and what's the direction for the signal? It's 1 minute down. Okay, so if I'll analyze it for 20 seconds, now it's stating that market can move in the up direction, and at the same time 15 seconds, that is also stating the up. So if we'll get any signal for up, then we can think about that one, but for now down trade I don't think that we should pick. The reason, the second reason that why I don't want to take any random trade, because we have already unlocked one RFT for $5. I want to increase that amount, because every positive trade will increase it by $1. So now I don't want to take any aggressive, any random trades. So please add some more and more entries. Let's see if we will be able to increase it more. And let me take a couple of more comments. US, okay, Shak, see, I am sad to know about that you are making some losses on the platform, but do you use any strategy so far, or just tell me like which strategy you were using? Any technical, whatever you were using, just let me know the strategy. We will try to deep dive into that, like whatever the things like which were possible, which like you could think about. Trader not getting any response. Sasuka ji, support team, they also have a time frame to reply, so whenever you are sending anything to them, allow them some time. Okay, so Rafiq ji, hello. Okay, Hafi Raza, please help. Hafi Raza, just let me know what question you have. Hello, traders need answer from the customer. Okay, of course I know that trader needs answer from the customer care if they have some difficulties with their deposit withdrawal verification, but wait for the answer. They will be answering sooner or later. They will be answering for each one of your doubt, nothing to worry. Okay. Rafiqul Islam, please let me know what help you are looking for. Strategy. Okay, see, Hafi Rajaji, like rather than giving any commission to anyone, like if you want to deep dive into the strategies, of course, like a number of strategies are available. Or let me also give you let's talk about at least one strategy. So that was one which was the customized one. Let's do one thing. Let's talk about, like, it's Friday, so let's talk about Friday strategy. So it's a very easy strategy to use. EMA 5, 13 and 55. All we are just going to focus on the direction or intersection of smaller frequency EMA with the higher one. By that, let me just what does exactly I mean? Let me try to. Okay, so how the exactly it's going to work. So in this one there are 3 EMAs. Well, we will be focusing on the direction of the lowest frequency when it is going to intersect the higher one. That could be the direction of the market. I am stating that could be or that can be. I am not stating that will be. Reason behind is just a technical tool. And if I'll try to analyze that one, so here we can observe that there was an intersection of EMA 5 and 13 in the downward. Market is moving in the downward. At the same time, after one candle, again there was another intersection. Again market is down as per this level. So that's how you can going to use this strategy. Whenever the intersection is there, you can pick the trade for 2 to 3 candles. Suggested time frame for this strategy is 1 minute. if you want to apply this one, feel free to use this strategy, but I'll suggest use it on your demo account first, then you can take it to your live account. So 3 back-to-back positive trades are already there. Let's try to analyze if we can fetch a few more signal. Okay, so CHF JPY OTC 1 minute up. CHF JPY OTC 1 minute up. Okay, let's analyze. Okay, so if we would have tried to grab that opportunity at least 2 to 3 candles earlier, then of course there was a very nice opportunity, but now we have missed it. Let me try to recalculate with the help of support and resistance. No, resistance level is, market is stuck there and market bounced back. If we would have got the opportunity or the signal to take a trade in the downward, that could be a better situation. Traders, what do you think? Like, should we pick a trade? Because I am trying to increase the amount of that RFT. So please add some more signals, add some more entries, like whatever the signal do you think that that can work. In case if you want to share the strategy also, like which specific strategy you are using, you can also mention. So to participate in this X in a row challenge, all you just need to open the link which I have already pasted in the description section, or let me just paste it again in the comment section. So just open this link, add trader ID, add asset name, time frame, direction, and click on submit. Once you click on submit, everything will be visible here. I will be try to pick the signal. These signals, like I was thinking about, but those were not looking like that lucrative. At the same time, we have already unlocked one $5 RFT. So I'm just trying to increase the value. That is the reason that I'm trying to take some trades with the more and more precautions. Okay, so we can expect that there can be a trade. Let's take one trade for 1 minute and the second trade for 2 minutes on the same asset. Now for this time window, the signal might is not generated so far, so we need to wait a couple of more seconds. This trade we will not be counting in that challenge. The reason behind that is a different one, because if the this trade will go negative, then that will be clock over again. So this trade is not going to be considered in that one. This is the trade which I have tried to use with the pick with the use of the strategy. All I'm just trying to show you that in case if we have we will try to use it for a shorter time duration, that can lead to some sudden market reversal. Apart from that, it's already 7 o'clock. US market is already open, so we can expect some sudden volatilities. We are always suggesting to take a break during these windows, but in case if you think that you want to trade, of course you can take try to take trades on demo. Okay, so this trade was negative. Let's analyze again on 32nd. That is the reason that when I have introduced this strategy I stated that you should pick the minimum chart time frame for 1 minute and the trade time frame for 2 to 3 candles. Okay, let's move back to the comment section. Okay, Oberoi Ogutu, I request you, please do not spam the comment section, as you have asked it multiple times. Is it appropriate to use signals? You can use your own signal, that is completely fine. If you want to depend on someone, that is going to be completely your choice. I will not be suggesting to do that, because that can lead to some negative results. If you will be depending on yourself, then you do not need to rely on someone that he or she will be giving you signal, then you will be able to execute something. That is also something which you should consider. Prakash ji, hello. Moiman user ji, please let me know why do you think that it's a scam. As so many traders, as you are on incognito watching what, sir, like this is the platform which I have opened in my cognito mode. I'm not watching anything. Is it appropriate to use signal? Again, same comment. Okay. Hello Prakash, Mohammed, hello. Okay, 90% accuracy batao na sir. See Prakash, there are no such strategies which will be focusing on that much accuracy or something like that. And the second thing, let me clear one thing. There are so many traders like those who have a mindset that if they will be having a 90% or 80% profit success rate, only then they will be able to make profit. There is nothing like that. if I'll give you a calculative, in a calculative manner, if we'll try to calculate, even though if you have a profitability of 90%, I'm talking about this profitability, like currently it's 85%. So if you have a profitability of 90%, like if you are going to take a trade for $100, if the trade will go positive, you will get 90, and if the trade will go negative, you will lose 100. Then 53% accuracy rate is the break even point. Mean to say, if 53% trade will go positive, rest 47 will go negative, with a nice and aligned, what we call money management and risk management, you will be able to hold your break even point. Break even point means no profit, no loss. This is the most unknown fact which most of the traders are not aware about that one. And once you will start increasing from 53 to 54, 55, 56, then you can start making up profit. So it's not always about the accuracy, it's also about the money management. Let me give you one example also. Now there is one trader who managed to book 4 back-to-back profitable trades, each trade $10, and let's assume the profitability 80% or 90%. So after 4 trade, he managed to book a profit of $36. Now, without using any money management, he has a pressure to recover old losses, or he has a pressure to make more and more money, or he is getting greedy. So he increased the trade amount without any calculation, and he made it 100, or let's assume less than that, 50% of that 150. Now 5th trade is a negative. If I'll check his success rate, out of 5 trades, 4 trades are positive, means 80% success rate. If I'll check his P&L, he made a profit of 36, he made a loss of 50. So his P&L is minus 14. At the same time, another trader, same situation, 4 trades, $10 each, 90% profitability, $36 profit in bucket. Now he is using his risk management and money management. Now he also want to do the same thing. He want to increase his profit. So he increased his trade amount from 10 to 12, or let's make it 15. He took 2 trades, both trade went negative. Now let's calculate his P&L. 6 trade, 4 trade negative, 4 trade positive, 2 trade negative. So success rate is reduced from 80. If I'll check his P&L, he made a profit of 36, he made a loss of 30. So still, after reducing the success rate, after having more negative result, still his P&L is positive. And at the same time, what he was trying to focus on, he was trying to increase his profit, right? So the profit which he was supposed to make earlier behind $10 for 90%, $9, now his profit is increased from 9 to 12.5. So profit is increased. In case if the trade is negative, still he is able to hold that profit. So that is something where we should be focusing on. It's not always about not always about what we call the success rate. It's always about that how do you use your capital. Okay, if you are agree with my point, just let me know, just give me a thumbs up, because it's not like this is something like where most of the traders are keep on focusing. I want a strategy with high profit, high success rate, high profit, high success rate, but they are not focusing on the major part, which is money management and risk management. Rudra, I am also trying to grab some opportunities, but I am not getting anything. Okay, we got another entry for NZD JPY OTC. NZD JPY OTC. NZD JPY OTC is for 1 minute down. The strategy which we were using earlier, so we have already changed. I don't think like it's already, a market is already stuck in this support level. So if the market will breach this level, then we can think about taking a trade in the same direction. Otherwise we have to switch to the okay, so level is not breached. Yeah, market is again trying to bounce back. Level is not breached properly. Okay, let's try to pick another one. USD CHF OTC. USD CHF. USD CHF OTC. Again 1 minute down. No such signals for that one. market, no support resistance level nearby, that is completely fine. But if I talk about the signal was there, but minimum to minimum like 5 to 7 candles before that. So that is a dicey situation whether we should pick that one. Asia composite, let's try to have a look on Asia. In Asia composite again, market is again in the support level. Let's try to grab something. But traders, today I am not that excited to see that how many traders are participating, because if you will also observe, I can observe that there is only one trader who is adding majority of his signals. He is participating in that one. There were two more traders, those who have participated. I really appreciate all three of you, but I'm not happy with the rest of the traders, because if you do not like such streams, just let us know, just give us a feedback, so we will not be conducting such things in the future. Because during these streams we are talking about different aspects, mindset, we are talking about different things, just to grab the opportunities. And because this is not something like which I am facing, this is something which majority of traders are trying to follow. Sometimes they are not able to trade in a high pressure, sometimes they are not able to make positive trades back to back, or if they are able to make positive trades, then they start getting greedy, they start increasing the capital without making any analysis. So these are the things which we are trying to cover under these such challenges. That see, I have also the same situation like you have. How I am reacting, this is something which you can follow. It's not always about executing the trade, it's always about executing the trade on a right time, so that you will be able to make a right decision to make some right profits. Okay, so this is exactly which you are supposed to, or you need to focus on. Okay, so hello to everyone. Vilma Nevos, hello. Pyramid of East Africa, nice. So I can see that traders from different areas they have joined. Rishabh, hello. Okay, Aves chat, hello. Kush Ahuja, hello to, very good evening to everyone. So traders, if anybody is having any doubt regarding any question, any query, so feel free to write me in the comment section. Of course, I will try to give you information about that one. And in the meantime, what I will do, I will try to use some signals, or we can do one thing, we can try to think about the winner of the today's session. So what I will be doing, I have added all these entries. So I will be adding all these entries to one of my internal based software, who will be picking up the winner. So once I'll click on that start button, so that will start initiating. Let me show you if that is visible to you. Okay, so that this is how the percentage calculates. So we got majority of signal from this trader ID. The trader ID is 388988643, and the rest two from this trader ID and one from this trader ID. Once I'll click on the start on my system, so it will pick one winner out of it, and let's see how it's going to calculate. Let me start that. And in the meantime, if you will be having doubts, of course you can write me in the comment section. Okay, as usual, which I was also expecting, the majority won today's session. So my congratulations to the trader ID 388988643. System already picked this one. So the majority number of signals we also got from the same trader. So I really appreciate your efforts, and my congratulations to you. If you are still available in the in the live stream, I request you please confirm your name, so I can give you your name a shout out. And my congratulations again. I'll make sure that you will be getting your $5 RFTs as soon as possible. Let me try to take at least one more trades just to make it a bit more higher. GBP CHF OTC, GBP CHF OTC, GBP CHF OTC. So if we'll manage to make book this trade as a positive also, then of course this RFT amount will become $6. So let's see. This is the final try. So the signal which we have got, that is from the same trader. The signal can be in the upward direction for a 2 minute sooner or later, but we have already executed the trade. Let's see how it will go. Okay, so if this trade will go positive, that $5 RFT giveaway will become a $6 RFT. If not, at least $5 is already unlocked. So in the meantime, traders, if you still have any question, any doubt, question, query, feel free to write me in the comment section. Okay, so we got one question, comment from Clips by my email. और support team को reply नहीं आ रहा है deposit stock. Clips, see the support team can take 24 hours, at least 24 to 48 hours to reply on that email. So just stay calm and make sure you have sent it from the registered email ID. I was expecting that market will move downward, but the signal is already there for the upward. Okay, really, you are excellent mindset in this life. I like it. Pyramid, thank you so much for your appreciation. Seth Nayak, how to withdraw using crypto? So, you can either connect with the support team to get the information, or just go to the help center. Just look for the crypto, and you will be like whatever the topic you want to talk about, like withdrawals. Then select crypto. You will be keep on getting the information. Why 5-second trades are always tempting and sometimes it brings profit, then all the capital blow again. See, Omar ji, in 5-second trades, the majority of trading is depending only on luck, because you can't use technical on a very short time duration, and in case if you can, you have to spend a lot of time. So I'll suggest try to. Okay, so it's been already 5 days. Clips ji, I'm so sorry for that. Like you are facing that much long delay. Just send a reminder on the same email and make sure you have sent it from the registered email ID, because they will be responding on the basis of that one. So make sure you send it from the registered email ID. Yeah, so we were talking about the 5-second trade. So 5-second trade is tempting, of course, because you will be able to find the results after every 5 seconds. So if you are able to make some profits, of course you are going to get tempted. But the reason behind is, like, if you will start using such time windows, you might not be able to hold that luck factor for a longer duration. So that is the reason we always suggest to use some technical tools to make some calculative trades, which is hardcore trading, not something like which is only based on fluke. Which strategy you are using? Sai Nayak, like this, the strategy which is visible in front of you, this is the Friday strategy. We have talked about this strategy in the past also, so you can explore the playlist. Earlier I applied Jactar strategy, and if you want to go for such for a very aggressive strategy, you can also try to explore smart RSIs, because in smart RSIs you will be able to find some aggressive time windows, like for 15-second trade time duration, for 30-second, and then 60-second. Which time is best? Always 3-minute or 5-minute. Boss, it depends on technical to technical. Sometime 2 to 3 candle is also fine if you are using a chart time frame for 1 minute. And so that is also depending on technical plus the chart time frame you are using. It's not like the 5-minute will be best or the 3-minute will be best. We can't generalize it. How to test the mindset is like checking mindset of practice live trainer. See, pyramid. How to test the mindset? Is it like checking mindset of a pyramid? I'm so sorry, I didn't got your question. But if you are talking about that, how to try to train your mindset in such a way that you should be always focusing, focused, and you should not be, get away with the revenge trading or over trading. You can do one thing. You can set a set of rule that you will trade on your demo account first. Once you will be able to grab a hold on that one, once you will be able to convert that demo money into that specific that X money, then only you will start taking trades on live account. Because then when you will be focusing on your demo account in such a way with that mindset, then you will try to grow it first, and once you will grow it, you will start growing it, then you can apply the same mindset on the live account. I'm so sorry, traders, I'll not be able to take more of your comments, because we have to wind up today's conversation. So thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much for sparing time. Thank you so much for such an interactive session. I wish you a great day, successful trading ahead. Whatever strategies we have talked about, I request you, please use it on your demo account, and until and unless keep earning, keep learning. Please focus on your learning part also, because I have already stated it's a financial market. Partial or full capital loss is possible. So make sure you invest n number of time also. It's not only about investing money, it's also about investing time. Okay, so this was your host, your financial expert, Kunal Kapoor. Thank you so much again. Make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family. So whenever we will be coming live next time, you will be able to connect with us. And many congratulations to